after pitching. So we'll have some time. These are just suggestions from Startup Weekend team. Yeah, so the pitch is only for 60 seconds. So everyone gets 60 seconds, and in the first round, we encourage all the participants to come here and pitch. If time permits, we'll go for the second round, and if time permits, we'll go for the third round. So second round and third round is not guaranteed. So please put your ideas, best ideas in the first round itself. So, and these are just the suggestions as to how to pitch your idea. So first, 5 to 10 seconds, who are you? 10 to 20 seconds, what is the problem you are solving? And what is your solution? And who do you need? Do you need developer? Do you need designer? Do you need business person? And this is just a suggestion from our end. So it's 60 seconds, mic will be given to you.
And I just want to add, 60 seconds means 60 seconds, not 61, okay? So this is a suggestion in terms of what you should pitch or how your pitch should flow to help you get your votes and form a team. But 60 seconds, at 61, one of us will shut you down, okay? I'm sorry?
Is there a timer or something?
Yes, there will be a timer, there will be elephants roaring, there will be all kinds of stuff.
And it is just an oral pitch, no PPT. So building a team. So once you vote, once you pitch your idea and once your ideas get selected, there might be few people whose idea might not get selected. Please try to join other teams, and SW is all about collaboration. Please try to join other teams, and the people who got their ideas selected, they may want to hire or work with people who have complementary skills. So we will have 1 or 1.5 hours for team formation. So all the ideas which get selected, they have to form a team by tonight, and they have to send the team details by tonight itself. So while forming the team, please try to get in touch with the person who has the complementary skills. So we have already given the badges which says whether you are a developer or a designer or a business person or a jack of all trades. Yeah, there is a shortage of designers. Please try to accommodate.
Something that happened last time is one of the designers helped multiple teams. So if that's something that interests you, you could consider doing that as well.
So this is just a suggestion. So you may want to talk about co-ownership and equity to your partners before you decide to work with them. So it has happened that teams get formed on Friday night and they get dissolved on Sunday morning. So for the last event we had around 17 teams formed on Friday morning, only 13 ended up pitching on Sunday evening. So please try to work out how do you want to work with your partners.
Can I add something? I also want to add that the reverse happens. Teams break up, they fall apart, new teams get formed. That's perfectly fine. Just because you start with a team tonight doesn't mean that you are going to finish with that team on Sunday. We hope you do, and we encourage you to do so. But in case you cannot work together, come and talk to us. Don't just leave. If anyone leaves, you're missing out on what the experience is. So come and talk to us. We'll know what other teams are not working. We'll try and put you guys together. Maybe you'll come up with a different idea and form a different team. Let us know. We have a certain number of slots that we're going to allocate towards Sunday night demos. If those slots are all full, we may not allow you to pitch on Sunday night, but you can still go work on another project or whatever else you have in mind. If we do have a slot available, we will fit you in. Okay, so don't leave.
And again, this is a complex logic. Just to tell you, so a team might get formed on Friday night with one idea, but eventually they will end up presenting one more idea on Sunday evening. So maybe on the execution side, they realize that idea is not feasible. They were focusing on the wrong side of the idea. They change the idea on Saturday morning when they start talking to mentors. So this might happen, and you don't have to focus on all the features of a product, and you just have to come up with a demo. You don't have to come up with a whole Android application or Windows application, and just a demo is good enough. And the focus should be on the market validation. If you want, there have been teams in Startup Weekend Hyderabad where people have gone out to the markets and did their survey, and there are videos on YouTube you can go ahead and watch. So It's not just about sitting here, and there are mentors who would help you on the business side as well as on the technical side. Don't waste too much time on trying to think on your own. If you think that you cannot make a decision as a team, so please come and approach us. We'll try to hook you up with one of the mentors. And you don't have to present a complete demo of a product. It could be small feature of a product. If you could explain other things on the execution and the business side, it would be good enough. But the emphasis and the judging criteria has already been published. So the focus is not just an idea. Focus is also on customer validation, market research, and the team and the people in your team. So I'll publish you the list of resources, and I'll send across the mail to all the participants. And there are a few resources available from AWS, BigRock, and MobiQuick, and other resources. We will have a talk on that once we publish the details. So idea validation. Most of the part has been covered by Sanjay. And idea is not just an idea if there is no execution. The emphasis of Startup Weekend is on execution. And people have already asked question, if I pitch an idea and somebody else steals it, well, it's not true. I mean, the emphasis should be on execution. At any point in time, there will be 100 people thinking about that idea. So idea validation has already been taught.
I just want to add, a few people have already come to me and asked me about, can I pitch an idea? What if somebody steals it? If you're that worried about your idea and you think it's the holy grail, don't pitch it. Simple. But again, what Jadoma said, I can guarantee you within a 100-mile radius, there's at least another 100 people thinking of the same idea. None of you have executed it, so it's worthless. So focus on the execution, not the idea. Build a team and work on the idea and make it a reality rather than just thinking about it. So focus on that. Don't focus on somebody stealing your idea. However, that being said, if you do want to keep it a secret, fine, don't pitch it. That's the best way to prevent somebody from taking your idea.
Yeah, this is about Sunday presentations. We will definitely give you a chance to present, practice your demos. There are 2 conference rooms, and each team will get only 5 minutes. Just like each person will get 60 seconds today for a pitch. The focus on demos should be on the execution, and the panelists are very good in identifying what has been done in 2.5 days. All the agenda has been published to panelists, so there might be questions on that and what has been done in 2.5 days.
Again, you want to focus on the demo, which is the MVP, the minimum viable product. And we'll possibly go back to one of the slides about project management and how you want to manage what you're working on this weekend. All your teams, when you're sitting out with your teammates, throw every idea on the table. Don't just be afraid of voicing your opinion because you've just met each other or something like that. No, accept all ideas. Put them all on the table, but manage how you're going to get through those ideas very clearly. Prioritize how you're going to implement certain ideas, how you're going to reject ideas, what your workflow is going to be over the weekend. And also make sure that you have specific deadlines set for each member of your team so that you know where you are. And then come back to each other every couple of hours to make sure that you are moving ahead with the various assignments that were given to people. So, for example, if you have 2 developers on your team and you have 2 business people are working on customer validation, market research, etc. They're out for a couple of hours. Let the developers work on the demo for those 2 hours. After you're done, come back, reconvene. Maybe the market research proved that the idea is not going to work the initial way that you had thought about, and you're going to have to go back and kind of change a lot of your code and work your demo very differently. That's okay. But stay in touch and keep those deadlines and stick to those deadlines because that will help you get a demo together. Another suggestion, if you're not coding by 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, you're probably not going to finish a demo. Okay? So if you are hoping to actually get a minimum viable product out Sunday night in front of the panelists and in front of the rest of us, make sure you start coding by 11 a.m. Otherwise, you're going to be very hard pressed. Another thing, some of you have ideas and startups that you've already been working on. If you have built something, it is not valid to be pitched tonight. Everyone should be starting from the same level, which is an idea. Okay? So if you've already done a whole lot of work and you've already built a lot of the product out, it's not valid. If we do find out that you have built this product beforehand, we'll invalidate you and ask you guys to do something else. That being said, if you have an idea that you've been working on, but you need to build out a completely separate idea or a separate piece of the idea, come and talk to us and we can figure out whether it makes sense to pitch that or not. So the question was, what if you've done a lot of market validation regarding your idea beforehand? That's okay. You can still pitch that idea. The idea is that you haven't built the product yet. Okay?
So we are done with our suggestions. We'll start with the pitching session. We'll talk about. So any questions? Yeah, so we'll give you half an hour. What?
Can you check the Wi-Fi
No,
before?
but for pitching, Wi-Fi is not required. While pitching is happening, you can go ahead and check with Bhaskar. If you are pitching, I will make sure that everybody gets half an hour to select the ideas once the pitching happens.
How do you tag a particular idea?
So that's what you will come to know. Yeah. Yeah.